viewers, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see three recruitment updates from three different companies. The companies are Reliance, Mahindra and Microsoft. So we'll be seeing a bulk recruitment update from Reliance, and for this any graduate is eligible. We'll see all the details, and then we'll see a recruitment update from Mahindra. Mahindra is conducting a bulk recruitment update, and we'll see the details of that also. And the last one we are going to see is an internship update from Microsoft. Okay, so if you are any student, you are eligible for this internship update. And if you are interested in any of these updates, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. The first recruitment update is from Reliance. We are going to see the details. So Reliance is recruiting for global corporate security. This is a non-technical job. Okay. And also they have given the selection process and eligibility criteria in detail. They have given the age limit as between 24 years and 30 years as of 31st October. Okay. Qualification is you need to have a graduation from a recognized university. And the minimum aggregate they are asking is only 50% in any stream. So any graduate, any stream is eligible with minimum 50%. Generally on the other companies, they ask for more than 60% or 75%, right? Here it is only 50%. Also, they have given original final year mark sheet are required to be eligible for the selection process. They have given the height limits for male and female here. So please have a check on that before applying. Okay. Also, they have given if you are a person from NCC background or sport person, if you have participated in any of the items, you will get a preference. Okay, so this is the selection, the eligibility criteria. Now, moving on to the selection process here, they have given the step-by-step selection process. There will be a 4P evaluation methodology. This is a non-technical job, and the first stage will be a GK-based examination actually, and then there will be proficiency test. Then there is personal profiling, then personal interview will be there, and also there will be physical test. Okay. So that is all about the selection process here. Here you can expect a salary above minimum 40,000 or up to 45,000 minimum you can expect. This, as I said, this is a non-technical job. So if you are interested in non-technical jobs, you can definitely apply here. If you are a person from not a technical background, other streams of graduations, if you are, then you can definitely apply here. Okay. So also they have given the important dates for selection process. It will be from 25th of November to 10th of December. The selection process will be conducted in between these days. Okay. Also, they have given that the amount that you are going to pay for the travel and all. The travel expenses will be reimbursed. Everything they have given here in detail. So if you are interested in this post, just click on this login. First, you have to register with Reliance, and then you have to apply by filling an online application form. That is the application process. Okay. Next, let us move on to the next update, which is from Mahindra. So Mahindra is conducting a bulk recruitment update for full stack engineer. Okay. And here they have given the eligibility criteria as years of experience 0 to 1 year. So this is a full stack developer, means you need to have a little bit of coding knowledge to apply for this post. So all the graduates from BTech, MSc, MCA, BCA, ME, MTech, all those branch of graduates and postgraduates are eligible to apply here. Okay, because you need to have a little bit of coding knowledge here because you are going to work as a full stack developer or a full stack engineer. Okay, so they have given that this will be conducted through a hacker platform, and the test opening date is November 26th and closing date is December 5. So you have to give the test, or you have to actually give the challenge in between these days to get selected. Okay, so these are the two dates which you have to follow. December 5 will be the last date, and the duration of the test will be 3 hours. Okay, so you're going to participate in a 3 hours challenge to actually get this job. Okay, so you need to have a experience or little bit of knowledge in HTML, CSS, front end, or little bit of Java knowledge or .NET related knowledge. All these are preferable to get this job. Okay. Also, the job location they have given here is the job location is Mumbai, Pune, and Bangalore. For these three locations, actually, they are conducting this hiring process. Okay. Looking for a job is a tough task, right? Especially finding a job in a good company and getting a good package. Also, finding a good job which balance the right work pressure. All these things is very tough. So here we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. Here you don't have to bother about going to company sites. There is multiple company sites and applying multiple times, or you don't have to bother about making a good resume which satisfy all the company needs. What you have to do here is you have to just click on this icon which is called Get Hired, and then you have to book a test slot. And after booking the test slot, you can give the test in whichever domain you are interested in, whether it is front end or back end or whichever domain you are interested in, you can give the test. And if you get a good score in the test, you will be hired by all the companies. You will get access to 200 plus companies. The big companies like Cred, Meesho, Upgrad, Urban Company, all these companies are hiring freshers through this platform, and you don't have to pay any money here. That is a very big thing, right? So here you will get access to 1000 plus job roles and 200 plus companies. So what can be good more than this, right? So please do check out the link which I'll be putting in description, and please make use of this platform. Also, if you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. So that's all about the Mahindra recruitment. The third update we are going to see is from Microsoft. The third one is a bulk recruitment update. It is actually an internship update from Microsoft. Nowadays, if you see, a lot of internship updates is coming from Microsoft. So they have posted this on November 10th. It is a very latest update only. And this is an internship update for all the BTech, computer science and IT related candidates. Okay. So the qualifications they have given here is pursuing a bachelor degree, that is BTech, in computer science or relative quantitative field. So if you're a person from electronics, electrical or EI, also IT and computer science related backgrounds, can definitely try for this internship. Okay. So they have not given any percentage criteria. Generally, they will ask for 75% minimum, but they have not asked for any percentage criteria here. Also, they have not asked for any year of pass out. So if you are a student, means if you are pursuing this degree, you are eligible to apply. Whether you are in first year or second year or third year or whichever year you are in, you are eligible to apply here. Okay. Also, they have given the other qualification details as passion for technology and innovation, excel in communication and presentation skill, thrive and deliver results in a fast-paced, sometimes ambiguous environment, ability to influence and inspire, analytical problem-solving skill, relation building, collaboration and communication. So this is the qualification requirement. So the basic thing is you need to be a person who is studying, that is BTech or BE BTech in computer science or relative quantitative field. If you are having that, you are eligible to apply here. Okay. So it is posted on the date of November 10th, and the last date also they have not mentioned here, but generally it will be disabled or deactivated within 1 to 2 weeks. Okay. So please to apply for this Microsoft internship as soon as possible, in my opinion. Don't miss out. Okay. So that's all for today's video. In this video, we have seen three recruitment updates. The first one is from Reliance. It is for any graduate. And the second one is from Mahindra. And the third one is from Microsoft. Okay. So if you are interested in any of this update, please to apply for this. The links will be posted separately in description box. Also, a lot of people comment in the comment section regarding that they are not finding any responses from the companies which they are applying for. Don't worry, you will get response. Please keep trying, because a lot of recruitments is happening nowadays, because after this COVID situation has little bit settled down, a lot of companies are conducting bulk hiring. So you'll also get a job. Please keep trying and be motivated. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, like, share, subscribe and keep supporting the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.